Well, it's clear that consumers are actively looking for products that have a minimal impact on the environment. And so that's also a risk if we can't progress against that. But it's also an opportunity for us to utilize new technologies and increase the amount of recycled content in our products.
So the opportunities are absolutely huge. In all of my years of being a part of Red Cycle, I can say that the timing has never been better. In terms of the risks or constraints, one of the things that we must make sure in terms of our industry is you have to make sure that the pipeline is the same at the beginning all the way through to the end of the circular economy, meaning that there's a robust and resilient pull through or demand for recovered recyclable materials all the way through into Australian end markets.
On the risk side, the Ellen MacArthur Foundation has informed us that if we continue business as usual for the next 30 years, there'll be more plastics in the ocean than there will be fish, which is a terrible version of the future, and none of us want to create that. Another angle to look at it is our consumer is telling us this is what they want. We're seeing the devastation in some of our ecosystem, and they're demanding that the products that they buy are doing a better job, and we want to do that too.
So we're really pleased that we are now 100% using renewable electricity in our operations, and we're looking to now move to manufacturing and where we can use more renewable sources of energy there. Our fleet, particularly in New Zealand, is 100% hybrid, and we're looking to flow that out across the board. Sustainable sourcing of our products and the ingredients is something that we place very top of mind. And of course, removing carbon-based ingredients for more renewable ingredients in many of our products remains our focus. So we're super committed not only to the actions that can improve climate, but also those actions that allow us to offer better products in the process.
So currently, we are moving very rapidly on recycled packaging, especially on soft plastics. We have our partnership with Red Cycle. But we also are very excited about the potential for advanced chemical recycling for soft plastics in Australia. Australia has the opportunity to be at the forefront of this technology, and we certainly would be excited to see that technology develop here.
We operate in a very dynamic, complex, and ever-changing environment in food and grocery. And I think for me, the risk is that other priorities take a higher level of focus than sustainability and circular economy opportunities as these pressures become more urgent. So I think remaining focused, learning to collaborate more, and embracing all new science and technology needs to remain a focus.